This is Cape Town. Actually, took the text.
Cape Town. But there is a Table Mountain there.
Kodwa kuphi lapha futhi la?
Then Adavale.
Adavale.
Gugulethu ngapha.
I'll share in Adavale, close to Gugulethu. Going to Elsis River.
Heading to Elsis River.
When Cape Town ibafethu yenza kakhulu naye site la. Yenza kakhulu. Ayikaya bingelela abantu na. Bingelela. Yes. So guys, yeah. Sikhathi ukuthi shaya umoya nje kancane siyohlola insizwa ngale. Hamba nendoda ke le yakahlophe ke la. Ayibona la Cape Town la ihlala la isebenzela la ke le. Sayo tshwe.
Beautiful place.
Siyakubona uthile.
Beautiful Cape Town.
And you also got his friend.
Beautiful.
This guy. My friend, my man. What is your name?
Dino.
Tino. Yo. Number one. Tino.
What's your name, bro?
I'm with Tino and Sport.
Dino.
Yes, man.
Atikena ngazi igama layo ke ngilifaka enhloko.
Right, boys.
Kade yakithi. Ngithi ngihlophe mina.
All the videos.
Okay.
I'm not.
Apakele mophuma kumakhasi kaTV.